Hello guys, Shadow Fox here, and I will be playing another Slender map, Slenderman's Shadow, Sanatorium. Alright, so I have actually not played this version. I have played it once. I actually played the old versions a lot more, so I never got into this. Is the redo in the Unity engine, so that's new. What is that sound? Is he after me already? Oh, he's making noise. What is that sound? It sounds like it's come from over there, so let's just go right over to it, shall we? This is a bad idea. Oh, now it's over there? It's coming from this wall. This wall seems to be emitting a strange sound. Okay, so it's back over there somewhere. It is, yeah, it's loud. It's right here. It's coming from right, okay. No, it's not coming from right there, but it sounds like it. It's kind of annoying. Oh, shut up. Shut up. You don't scare me. Actually, he doesn't scare me very much. Scares me a lot. Ooh. This is creeping me out. It's a lot darker than, I'll say that much. It is a lot darker than the ones made on FPS. So much darker in here. So, really dark. At least there's some ambient lighting. That was something that they didn't have very much. Oh, alright. Took my girl. Now coming from me. Well, sorry about your girl, bro, but I got my own slendy problems to worry about. Okay, I think the lion might be over here. No, it's just back over here. Page? No, there's no page. Not here. Headphones keep coming out. Oh, yes, the computer lab. There's always... Okay, here we go. Always hunting. So he's a hunter. Oh, God. Oh, that light... That light flare scared me. Oh, man. Jump scare. Unintentional jump scare from a light flare. Okay. They're using the same sounds that they did in when they redid Prison. They came up with their new sounds, which are really scary. Okay. Always watching. Is there anything else he's always doing that you'd like to tell me about? And in the old game, there was actually a glitch in here where you could fall through the floor that my sister actually discovered. So that was nice. Yeah. And I think there's one in here too. It kind of cycles back to the place I was before. No? Okay. There's no page in here. Ah, I'm stuck. Oh, okay. I'm gonna check. Oh, no. Get. Oh yeah. Alright, get back. Back up so far away. Go. Was this always here? I don't know. Ugh. Okay, so he's showing up. What is that? Did you guys see that? That black fog. That's new. Oh wait, there's one over here. I remember there being a page over here. Ooh, that's creepy. When did they add that? Because I played this like a couple of times when it first came out, and I never saw that. So, that is new for me. Alright. I look like I'm walking. No! Stay back. I'm sprinting backwards. Oh, yeah. That's right. And now I'm tired. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. Alright. So we lost the Slendy man. What is that? It's everywhere. How did I not notice that before? No one survived. I will. Oh yeah, you just watch me survive. Because I am the best Slender player ever. Even though I've never actually won one of these maps, because the mechanics kind of confuse me. I mean, he just like... Oh, I'm back here again. Is it getting foggier? Excuse me. It is getting foggier. I seriously think it is. Is that a page? Oh, no. That's not somebody's medical chart that they so irresponsibly left. That is a page. No escape. Why? Why did they put that drawing there? Alright, 6 of 8. We're doing great. And, cycling back. So, surprised I've only seen him once. That's a little... No! No! Oh. We're all good here. Still running. Okay. Is he behind me? Oh! He's right behind me! Oh my gosh. Go away. Alright. There might be one back here. Sometimes there is. I think. Okay. Nope, there's not one. Bad place to put a page anyway. Oh, where's the last page? Oh, gosh, I am so screwed. Oh, I think I've already been here. If not, well then... Oh, no! No, 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 no. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm so close. Oh my gosh. So close. No, there's nothing. Alright, I think I went that way already. I'm gonna go this way. Ah! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. He's... Okay. Just gotta stay calm, cool, and collected! Yeah. I don't see him. Where am I going? Oh my gosh. The last page. Yeah. No. Oh, come on. Pick it up. Pick up the page. There we go. 7 of 8. Okay. No. Oh, you stay away. You stay away. Where is that last page? Oh no, I've already been here. I've already been here too. Oh no! Oh my! Oh, he got me. He got me. He got me. How? Ow. Okay, my throat is on fire. I normally don't yell that loud, but ow. I'm seriously in some pain. Either way. What? Okay, apparently my flashlight is still under control. Ooh, can I still move? No. Either way. I still have my flashlight. So, yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and give that another try. I may run over time, but I will do it for you, my fans. Okay. I'm gonna try going this way first. Is there a page in here? No, there's not. There's no page in there. Who am I kidding? There's no page. Seriously, when did that noise? It eventually stopped. I didn't notice, but it eventually stops. So, thank God. It's annoying. It's really irritating. So, I'm gonna go back and take my normal route thingy. Normally, which way did I know there was a way I used to go when I played this game. I think it was this way. I go in here, get this one, go back out this way to that bathroom. I don't know where it went though. I think it's through here. No, I think I'm lost. Alright, well, we'll go with the not planning. We're Americans. We don't plan, we do. And that's why we always get in trouble. Okay. Oh, there's the troll page. Troll page. Okay, no escape. Oh, yes, there is. If you get all 8 pages, and then run back to the entrance. Oh, here's the bathroom. Okay. Alright, so... always watching. Yeah. Mitchy. Okay. So, I think there's either one in this room or the one next to it. Usually there is. Can't remember, but... they seem to move around. Oh, no. 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 Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay. We're good. We're good. He's here early. Shut up. Shut up over there. I don't care what you are. Go away. Okay. He's here quick. He's usually not here that quick when I play these maps. On the old ones he was, but seems like on this one he's not as quick to show up. So that's news. He's still there? No, he's not. Oh no. Okay, going this way. So anything that way? No, probably, but I'm not going that way just yet. There's a page. Took my girl. Now coming for me. Oh, what does he want with you? What does he want with anyone? What does he do with the people he kidnaps? I'm not sure I want to know. Alright. Just gonna go this way. Even though it probably makes a loop, and I'm probably making a terrible mistake. That's probably... sounds like me. To make my terrible mistakes. Alright, let's just go this way. I think there's one in here. And I think that's kind of a shortcut to where else I need to go. No. Okay. No. Okay. There should be some more over this way. I think this is... we're approaching the lion. I can go through here and get to him. Yeah. Oh, okay. This room's empty. Totally empty. Big bunch of nothing. Which is... I guess it could be worse. There could be something, and that something could be creepy. No! Oh! What? No! He stole my flashlight! Okay. I thought he took my flashlight out of my hand, or I dropped... No! Oh, come on! Okay, I'm done sounding like a chipmunk or whatever. I'm not gonna go all Chip and Dale on you guys, so, yeah. What? I mean, he was no warning, nothing. He was just there. That's not fair. I mean, he just spawns on top of you. That's... Alright, now for my gaming commentary. I've never actually beaten one of the Slenderman Shadow maps because I don't understand their game mechanics at all. Oh, you can't see who's on my shirt. Old school. I do not understand the mechanics. I don't know how to get away from them. They don't seem quite as logical as the 8 pages or the Arrival or anything like that. So I'm not real sure how to get away from them. So if you guys know how in the comments, I will probably buy the full version of this if I still can. I'm not sure if it's still out. This came out like, I don't know, 9 months ago. But if you guys know how to beat him, let me know in the comments and I will try and get all 8. Because the first time I played this on the first engine, or the first edition, I got 7 pages and it was pretty easy. But once they redid the mechanics in prison, they kept that and these new maps. So I'm not sure how to beat him. He seems incredibly difficult to get away from, though I know looking at him helps, only to a degree, and I still don't have a mouse pad for my mouse, and I can't use it, so I'm on a trackpad, and I can't turn around and look at him very quickly. So I don't know much about beating him, and that's why I've never... because, I mean, he can get you through a wall. That doesn't make much sense. So that is why I've never beaten any of the Shadow maps. So I will buy the full version. I will play through some of those maps for you guys. I'm not playing the old versions, that even though I already have them, because they slow my computer way down. Either way, thank you guys for watching. Share this with your friends on Facebook if you want. Subscribe, like, add to your favorites. I think I said that. Either way, thank you guys for watching. See you later.